What's up guys, today we're taking a look at one of my largest, coolest MOCs that I've ever built, Endor. The original inspiration for this MOC came from my vertical display shelf. I wanted to build something that was narrow and tall that would fit well inside this box, and someone gave me the idea to build Endor, which I thought was a great idea. Therefore, the base of this MOC is designed to fit perfectly into this box, and the whole thing is chopped off at each side so that the trees rest up against the sides of the display box. This thing looks incredible when it's displayed inside this box because it was custom made for the box itself, but it's also just an awesome MOC in general. Endor is a Star Wars location that many LEGO fans have tried building, so I wanted a fresh and unique attempt at it, since I definitely could not make it the biggest Endor MOC by any means. Instead, I went for detail, really filling out that forest floor with a ton of plants, trying to cover up as many studs as I could. I also did an interesting landscape with different levels of elevation, including some lower parts where there are ponds and some higher parts where the trees grow from. I wanted the Ewok platforms to be very spacious so that I could include lots of detail on them, but I didn't want them to dwarf the trees by any means. So the trees continue up way past the platforms, creating some really magnificent height. I used pretty much every single plant piece I have, filling out the forest floor and the branches of the trees, and I think it turned out just right. I've got all kinds of Ewok style stuff strewn around the platforms, as well as some cozy little interiors inside the trees. I also included some wooden walking bridges between the platforms, as well as some nice railings to finish off the bright tree village look. I even put a little porg family hidden behind one of the trees, because I figured the climate of Endor is pretty similar to Octu, where we see the porgs hanging out with Luke and Rey. In addition to the porgs, I included a ton of other wildlife, including some spiders, snakes, and birds in the trees. This build turned out amazing in my opinion, and I hope you guys agree. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, it helps out my channel a ton. But that's about it for now. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!